Hi, I'm Lexi. Are you looking around for a water filtration pitcher? Well, this is Brita's most popular. It's called the Grand. It turns tap water into healthier, great-tasting water without the cost and waste of bottles. One filter can actually take the place of 300 bottles. That's good for all of us. The Grand holds lots of water, 10 cups, so there's fewer fill-ups. It's designed to fit nicely in the fridge, and it comes in lots of cool colors that all say you've got great taste. You'll always know exactly when to replace the filter with this electronic indicator. Refilling is easy with the flip-top lid and comfort grip handle. And isn't it nice to know that both the pitcher and the filters are BPA free? Hey, we all know it's important to stay hydrated. This baby makes it easy and tasty. Enjoy.